best dressers not only increase your storage capacity, but they help keep your clothing items organized without overcrowding your closet. There are many products available to choose drawer dresser, each product with different benefits, features and prices. To help you make an accurate decision, I've done much research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best drawer dresser from reputable brands. After a lot of research, I found these products for people like you. If you need to know about the price and other information, don't forget to check my descriptions. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Sonoma 6-drawer double dresser for bedroom. Features 2 columns with 6 total full-size drawers as storage space, while the profile top, side moldings, curved kick plate, charming espresso brown finish and vintage design, complements existing decor. Sizable and wide, this wooden double-column dresser houses 6 full-size drawers with antique bronze-finished metal knobs to provide suitable storage space for your clothes or other belongings, running on smooth roller glides with built-in safety stops. This compact dresser is a space saver for bedrooms, but it also makes for an excellent organizer in your walk-in closet, nursery, living room, or entryway. The hardy flat top can also display your TV, small lamps, electronics, picture frames, and more. Made from a non-toxic laminated composite wood with a sturdy MDF backer, this dresser will reliably protect your clothing. This high-quality solid dresser comes without plastic banding, ready to be fully assembled in 2 hours or less. This horizontal double drawer dresser is a must-have piece of furniture for your home. Pair this all-purpose dresser with other items from the Fremont collection for a uniform set that accommodates your complete wardrobe. Number 2. Prepack Fremont 5-drawer chest, espresso brown. Add elegance to your essential storage with the Prepack Fremont 5-drawer chest. A profile flat top, sleek side moldings, and curved kick plate amplify the sophisticated design with an espresso brown wood finish, adding a cohesive appearance to your bedroom's vintage-inspired ambience. Tall and narrow, this wooden chest houses 5 full-size drawers with antique bronze-finished metal knobs to provide suitable storage space for your clothes or other belongings, running on smooth roller glides with built-in safety stops. This compact dresser chest is a space saver for bedrooms. This versatile standing chest can also display your TV, small lamps, electronics, picture frames, and more. Made from a non-toxic laminated composite wood with a sturdy MDF backer, this chest will reliably protect your clothing. This high-quality solid chest comes without plastic banding, ready to be fully assembled in 2 hours or less. This vertical standing chest is a must-have piece of furniture for your home. Pair this all-purpose chest with other items from the Fremont collection for a uniform set that accommodates your complete wardrobe. Number 3. Udaham Storage Tower with 8 drawers fabric dresser. Made of reliable metal frame and durable MDF wooden top, 8 removable and foldable drawers, easy pull wooden handles, help conveniently open and close the drawers. 4 adjustable plastic feet help protect your floor from scratches. The front side is made with high-quality Kashonic fabric, and other sides adopt breathable non-woven synthetic fabric, easy care wipe clean with a damp cloth, and allow to air dry. Premium black-gray fabric drawers, sturdy white metal frame and wooden tabletop, give the storage organizer a modern style. This unit easily fits in various living spaces. Living rooms, bedrooms, hallways, entryways, closets and nurseries, etc. 8 drawers of different sizes provide more storage choices, and sufficient space creates a neat and clean space for your bedroom or living room. Overall dimensions: 33.7 inch long, 11.8 inch width, and 38.6 inch height. Drawer dimensions: 15.6 inch long, 11.2 inch width and 8.5 inch height. Detailed instructions and installation video will guide you through a hassle-free installation process, and hardware is included in the package, so only fastening some screws will take energy. Number 4. Sorbos dresser with 9 drawers. Style meets function with this dresser chest, complete with a wood surface and colorful storage drawers, pairs beautifully with the Sorbos foldable furniture collection. Wood top provides hard surface for displaying books, lamps, alarm clocks, electronics, and more. Drawers great for storing baby and kid clothes, blankets, linens, toys, plushies, accessories, knitting supplies, and household clutter. Suitable for nursery, playroom, kids, tween, teens bedroom, guest room, closet, hallway, college dorm, small apartment solutions, etc. Versatile as dressers for bedroom, storage cube dresser, 9-drawer dresser, small closet dresser, storage chest, living room dresser, sofa end tables, office supplies storage, kids nightstand, or baby nursery table. Soft fabric drawers with reinforced base, easy pull handle for quiet opening and closing. Removable drawers fold flat for easy storage when not in use. Entire unit is portable, lightweight, and easy to relocate to different spaces. Each drawer approx. 8.25 inch deep. Sleek wide storage, made with strong steel frame and durable MDF wood top with smooth white finish. Measures approximately 39.5 inch long, 11.5 inch width and 39.5 inch height. Number 5. South Shore Vito Collection 5-drawer dresser. Featuring 5 large drawers, this upright dresser is the perfect solution for limited space. With a modern design, this dresser features a decorative kickboard and wooden knob handles, ensuring it will match any interior theme. This versatile dresser is great for storing clothing in bedrooms or art supplies in your craft room. South Shore is proud to stand behind this 5-drawer chest dresser, with an exclusive 5-year limited guarantee. Shop with confidence knowing your purchase is always covered. All products come with a clear assembly document that will guide you through all steps. If you have any questions during the assembly, do not hesitate to contact South Shore Furniture for immediate support. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos regularly, so do subscribe my channel. You can check the description for more details or price about these products. For any kind of problem or complaint, you can comment us. Please, stay updated with our channel, as it will make your life much more easier and enjoyable. Thanks for watching.